Good morning, everyone. If you saw yesterday's video, I am getting ready for our spring stock up, and we just had 2 birthdays and anniversary for the month of February. So we're kind of behind on some stuff, and the house kind of got minimal care taken care of it. Also, if you haven't seen the other 2 videos from like last week of just like minimal every day, but we had 2 birthdays, anniversary. I just need to get some stuff done, and I've got like a few hours to get a couple of things done, mostly like just my room and laundry, and I need to go through clothes and things. Like, I just need to go through my closet and be like, if I'm not wearing this, it needs to go. It's just taking up space, and it adds more stress of like trying to get dressed quickly. So I'm going to go through my clothes today, look at everything today. I need to go through my dresser, some of that I'll do off camera. And I need to get like a couple loads of just laundry from my room, get my towels caught up and stuff. So I thought I would bring you along for some super fast clean mode and kind of talk through it a little bit. I've only got a few hours to get it done and see how much I can get done in about 2 hours. So, funny story that actually isn't as bad as I thought it was. So the whole, oh no, I need to get rid of clothes I'm not wearing, I actually had never packed down my spring and summer wear. So, morning. So I actually had my spring and summer wear in there, and that's why my closet looked a lot fuller than it is. But I did find like one thing I'm going to get rid of, so I got rid of that. But I do need to go through like my shirts and stuff though, so I'm going to go through dresser in just a minute. Now, moving on to the dressers, and just like that, we are finished. Went ahead and moved Matt's shoes back to the closet. We usually leave our shoes out like 24 hours to kind of air out before they go to our closet, because I don't want my closet to smell like shoes. So I'm not going to show everything here because, you know, clothing drawers are kind of personal. Cleared out like a couple shirts, repacked down my swimwear, checking my swimwear for, does everything fit, how does it look. Also working on like kind of taking a mental inventory of like, I need some more capris and items like that. So finished with that part, and I think the washer's already finished, so now I can start working on more laundry here and then get this cleared off. here's the bag where we have started bagging up all of these. Let me pull it out of the closet too. We had a little bit in here. We've definitely started adding more to it. Probably have another grocery bag by the end of the day of clothes that the kids have outgrown, because again, even with teenagers, sometimes they mature and need bigger sizes. So that's it for today though, is just we're going to finish up bagging all these up and we're going to get them out the door to take off to donations tomorrow. Super excited to have kind of like this refresh and just checking through things and not just having clothes sitting around that we're not going to use, and see if we can find some more things that the kids need. I know we have a couple things that we're going to have to get whenever we do our stock up, but that's it for today's video. Thank you, members, for supporting this content, and thank you for all of you for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.